Hello. So today we are working on a very nice iPad Air 5 Wi-Fi. If you look at that, it's right here. I've already removed the display because it takes some time and patience, and I've already cleaned all around it because we're gonna have to stick the display back. So the problem with this one is that it actually charges, but and it powers on, but it heats up extremely bad, and the battery doesn't last too well. So meaning that it has a short, probably not a main short, because if it would have been a main short, then I don't think it would have powered on at all. So first thing first, I'm gonna remove this shield here. Yeah, I don't wanna peel it too much. And I'm gonna take the thermal camera while we connect it to the USB. So if I connect it to the USB, it does like this. If you look here, see, it tries to do something. We can see it like blimping. So let's open the thermal camera and let's see what is going on there. So I'm gonna move your screen to the desktop. Yeah, let's connect the thermal camera. Okay, and I'm gonna start from this side once the thermal camera... okay, so we already can see we have something. Well, I assume it's a cap, judging by the way it looks. You see, the cap and the PMIC are actually heating up. I don't have something to point at it because I don't want to make a short. So you see this cap here, you also see the PMIC somewhere around there. Yeah, so that is our problem. So let me take a close look. Okay, let's disconnect this one and let's look on the board view. The board view for this model is not very useful because it doesn't have any sort of lines, line names, right? So I think it's this cap right here. So the cap right here goes exactly where the PMIC was heating up, and it goes somewhere around here. So we probably have another cap right here. Yeah, so I don't think it's gonna be a difficult thing to remove that cap, maybe replace, I don't know. So let's move under the microscope and have a look there. Right, so let's see what we have over here. And we can already see this cap. See, this cap was hot. Now it is a bit difficult to remove it. Yeah, because the board holds sucks a lot of temperature because of the metal chassis, and I don't want to remove the board. So let me see if I can maybe actually remove the cap using the hot air. I'm not gonna insist on it too much, but we already have this heavy shield here that will suck the heat. And this cap already burns. Yeah, I made it. I would really like to actually replace this cap. Even if it's a decoupling cap, it is a bit far from the circuit that is protecting, so it's probably protecting this side of the PMU, of the PMIC. So I'm gonna try to add here some solder paste for the new cap. Yeah, let's see if that is enough. course I need to power on my soldering iron. And that is a ground plane. Yeah, this one was good. That one not too much. Good, so let me find a board, a donor board, 1 second. Of course I don't have the same donor board, but I think we can borrow one cap from any of these boards. Let me have a look around. I think I'm gonna grab one of these here. Was this the correct size? Don't remember. Remember this wasn't on the main line. Yeah, the size seems fine. Oh, okay, let's see. Found it. Good. So let's put the meter in diode mode. You don't see that? Oh, sorry. And let's see what kind of reading we get now. Even the board is hot. Yeah, we get 0.5, so that is good. Perfect. So let me put back this shield. I hate these shields because it's very difficult to put them back as they were. Maybe like that. Okay, let's move on to the other camera. Alright, so let's try to connect it now to the supply and see what it's doing. Yeah, and you see there we have 5 volts negotiating to 15, and it looks like probably the iPad tries to start. If I remove this battery protection and make a contact with the board, we should also see it charging. Yeah, let's see what's going on. It has negotiated to 15. Yeah, and now we should see a charging state like symptom, but I bet this battery is fully drained. Yeah, so it's gonna stay like this for a while, and then it's gonna begin to creep out. See, but we get like a star-like figure, so this is typical for an iPhone, iPad battery charging. Yeah, so I think this was it. This was the repair. I'm gonna add back the protector here. Yeah, careful so we don't ruin the pads. And I'm gonna install the display, and I'm gonna be right back once the display is installed and we can see a functional iPad. Yeah, so the iPad stayed charging for a few minutes, I think, and it's now at 2%. I have touched, everything is functional, the display is back in place. Nothing wrong happened. I'm happy that we managed to help this customer, and I'm happy that finally we have replaced the capacitor. Yeah, so give me a like, subscribe if you didn't already, and see you next time. Bye for now.